10 lessons from Don't Give the Enemy a Seat at Your Table. It's time to win the battle of your mind by Louie, Giglio. 1. Be vigilant about what you allow into your thoughts. Protecting your mind from negative or destructive influences is crucial for maintaining mental and spiritual health. 2. Recognize and confront the lies or negative thoughts that undermine your confidence and well-being. Replace these lies with the truth of your identity and purpose. 3. Anchor your thoughts in truth and positivity. Grounding yourself in truth, such as scriptural promises or personal affirmations, can counteract negativity and build resilience. 4. Practice taking control of your thoughts and redirecting them when they become unproductive or harmful. Developing this discipline can improve your mental and emotional state. 5. Engage in spiritual practices like prayer, meditation, and reading inspirational texts to strengthen your mental and spiritual defenses. 6. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who encourage and uplift you. A strong support system can provide perspective and encouragement during difficult times. 7. Avoid adopting a victim mindset. Take responsibility for your thoughts and actions and work proactively to change your circumstances and responses. 8. Understand and embrace your identity as defined by your values and beliefs. A clear sense of identity helps you resist negative influences and maintain confidence. 9. Cultivate a habit of gratitude to shift your focus from negativity to positivity. Gratitude can improve your outlook and resilience in the face of challenges. 10. Continuously work on personal and spiritual growth. Growth involves confronting and overcoming obstacles, learning from experiences, and striving for a better mindset. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more great ideas to inspire.